Meaning of death.
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 Death. Death refers to the permanent cessation of all biological functions that sustain a living organism. It is an inevitable and universal aspect of human existence, and it can occur due to a variety of causes, including disease, injury, or old age. The result of death is the end of conscious experience and the inability to interact with the environment in a meaningful way. Although different cultures and religions have diverse beliefs about what happens after death, the fundamental fact remains that death marks the end of physical life.